In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Linktree for many purposes. Instagram does not allow any link, add on a description and comment below. And TikTok and any others, you can use this Linktree anywhere and it's absolutely free for use. So this link I will attach in the description below. First, I'm going to Linktree that you need to first log in here. For example, if I want to sign up here, just sign up free. Just click this icon, then I use a free temp email. You can use your own email. Now paste your Gmail, and I paste my Gmail. Then choose a username. Example of if I use my name Abu, just Abu. I want to check Abu Kalam Khan. This is my username. I want to use it. You can see this username available. So just click this icon, create account. So you need to choose a password. I want to prefer use a strong password. I want to use this strong. Then just continue. Just one click, continue. Then you going to this website. If you are newbies in my channel, I recommend you for subscribe. Tell us your name. So I want to use MD Abu Kalam. Then select one category based describe your link. So I want to choose business. You can choose any others. This doesn't matter. So I'm going to here. Then refresh. Then you need to choose a plan. So if you want to use for personal purpose for unlimited link and a link app creates and view for 28 days. But if you want to use it for business purpose, if I going to YouTube, you can see this a link is a deep link. You can see there's a market in isl.com the slash legend. If I want to click this one, I'm going to direct this person affiliate link. You can see this is affiliate link, but this is not her own website. So if you want to create like this, you need to upgrade this plan. But I recommend you for fast free. So I select free, then join for free. Just click here, and thanks for sign up in. So if you want to choose a profile picture, just click here. So I'm not interested to add right now. Just click this icon. Then select a theme. So I want to use this theme. So wow, this is really good and attractive. So I want to click continue. You can choose any others. Wow. Then just as your Instagram profile. So first of all, I want to use a address link. So I want to click this icon, verify email address. Just click here. Now my account are verified. Then again refresh. Wow, my account are successfully live. Then I want to add three link here. So first of all, add a link. Just click here. Then I want to use my Quora account. Then you can use your own any others link. You need just URL. Just paste here. Then add. Just click add. Then you can see my link are successfully added. Use another link. Just click here. Then just I want to add this URL, YouTube URL. This is example only. Just click here, then add. You can see my link are successfully added here. Then I want to add customization this link. So I want to remove this icon. Wow, really attractive. Then if you want to add a logo here, just click here, then change this icon. So I don't need this one. So this is really good. Then if you want to share your link right now, just click here, share. Then this is your own link. If I'm going to another website, then paste this link, then you can see just enter. Then I am redirect to this website. Wow, this is really good. So if you want to use LinkedIn for many purpose, affiliate and CPA, and many social media does not allow your many links on comment section and description, but allow on a bio. You can use this link tree. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I'll try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.